here we go. Some real math. What do we do first? So here I have, if you want to do this on your own, you may. You can ignore me. If you're just like, what? Pay attention. So negative 5 squared means negative 5 times negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5 is equal to positive 25. Okay? Minus whatever this is going to equal to. So here you have nested, which means it's like parentheses and then another parenthesis. So it's all like nested together. So you end up doing like the interior parentheses first. So negative 7 plus 8, this gives me 1. Okay, that gives me 1. Bring down the divide by 6. That's in a parentheses times 4. So 6 divided by 1 is 6 times 4 is 24. Then I bring down the plus 3. Sometimes students forget to do like bring down the very, very tail end of it. So we end up with 25 minus 24 is 1 plus 3. So this whole long problem is equal to 4. Good. We circle just to make sure that you do them in the correct order of operation. You know, sometimes kids will like do something like they'll subtract. If you don't circle, sometimes kids, what they'll do is they'll do like this 25 minus 4 first, and they'll get like 21, and they'll do 21 times whatever this gets you. And it's like, no, 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 no. Don't subtract here. You got to multiply first. So that's the main reason why we circle, is to just make sure that you do everything in the correct order. Some of you already know, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, PEMDAS very well. You know, it's like, I guess you can make your own decision as an honor student. But don't say I never warned you. Be careful. Oh, yeah, we're having fun today, kids. I can't control my excitement. So, wow, I have this. I'm going to do this part first. So I got negative 9 plus 7, which is a good review for tomorrow's test, like, you know, adding and subtracting integers and multiplying and dividing them. So this gives me negative 2 to the power of 3, right? Negative 2 to the power of 3 is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. 3 negative 2's. 3 negative 2's. This gives me 4 times negative 2 gives me negative 8, right? So that takes care of like this part. Now I'm going to do, to make sure it's a negative. And then here it's like a one big mess over here, right? So you look at the interior interior parentheses, and that's just a -6 in parentheses just to make it all nice and pretty. Okay, so then I look at the next parentheses. So this is the first parentheses all the way inside, and then the next parentheses would be that set right there. So then that set says that set says 4 minus a -6. So 4 minus a -6 actually makes me kind of sad. So it would be 4 plus 6, which gives you 10 in that parentheses. Then I look for my another set of parentheses, which is that set parentheses. So that set of parentheses says nothing in the front, but then the times 2. So 10 times 2 is 20. So I'm done with all that set of parentheses, and I got 20. Then I have a divide sign right here that I haven't used, and I have a -5 that I haven't used, and then I have a multiplication sign I haven't used. Oh, and then what's in this? Oh, it's -8. So this set of parentheses ended up being a 20. I dropped down the division sign. I dropped down this -5. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It's been 7 minutes and I only did 2 problems. Yikes. So what is our answer to this simplified problem now? Because that's where we're at. We got 2. Did anybody get 2? Was it too many parentheses to be okay? Okay, we'll do. Okay, good. All right, awesome. Yay. I'm like, I didn't get any, Let's do one with, let's see. Let's do one more and then we'll do some independent work. Parentheses, -7 plus 9 minus 7 squared times 5 divided by -5 squared. If you have an answer, you can look up here. If you're lost, you can see where you, hopefully, I can help you. Try not just to copy it, try to see if you can do some of it on your own, just so you've built confidence. If you get stuck, that's fine, at least you're trying. Are there any questions?